Hello, my name's Craig Flannery and I'm the Corporate Head of Resources with the responsibility for the strategic aim, Our Learning. Organisational learning is key to what we do as a fire and rescue service. It helps us to shape our future practices and procedures, implement safer ways of working for our operational staff and reduces the risk to our communities. We want to seize opportunities that reduce the risk to firefighters and communities through the use of technology and research and development. So what does this mean? Well, during 2021-22, we're going to focus on two key areas. Firstly, and considering the challenges of the service's geography, we're going to focus on continuing to develop and embed an IT infrastructure to help facilitate different ways of working, supporting a more agile and smarter approach, whilst also looking to increase the safety of our staff. Secondly, our people are the most important resource within the organisation, so it's vitally important that we tap into this to release their collective knowledge and understanding, especially if we're going to resolve issues and exploit opportunities both today and in the future. We want to capture the insights of our people, so we're going to continue embedding an ideas forum to explore the concept and ideas of our staff. By choosing these two improvement and wellbeing objectives, we believe they will help us to meet the ever-evolving needs of our communities and staff, whilst making sure that we maximise all opportunities to work both efficiently and effectively. We'd like to hear from you and your feedback on our draft strategic aims and improvement and wellbeing objectives. So for further information, please visit our website www.morefire.gov.uk.